Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll give you a quick and simple guide on how to transfer crypto from Moonshot to Phantom Wallet. So let's dive in. Now, remember, nothing mentioned in this video is financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor. So this video is for informational and educational purposes only. So please do your own research. And with that out of the way, let's dive in. Now, first go ahead and open your Moonshot app. And you want to click on holdings at the very bottom. Then choose deposit. Then you want to make sure that you are under crypto. So just click this drop down menu because by default it's credit and debit card. So just switch over to crypto. Next, you want to copy this to clipboard. Then head over to your Phantom app. Now in Phantom app, you want to choose send. Click Solana. And as you can see, you now have the option to paste the address from the clipboard. So just click this and hit next. On the next page, just simply choose the amount you want to transfer. And once you're done, simply click next at the very bottom. Then wait for the transaction to be successful. And that's it. Now you know how to transfer crypto from Moonshot to Phantom Wallet in just a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.